Number 0 passes to number 17 for 2 long throw.
8 seconds!
Tama ba? Tama niya ko. May score na ba kabila? Wala pa? May score na ba? Saan? Sino kasi? Ayan. Ang pangalan na?
Si Dominguez. Dominguez. Tuktok tayo. Ukbina.
Ha?
Ukbina. Ukbagi.
Tama ba?
Number 7,
Number?
29.
Ang anim na pa pinag.
Isang time out per tapos last quarter dalawa.
Nice score, man!
Okay.
7-Eleven convenience store. Number 0, tumitira pa po sa ito. Good.
Pangalan nun?
Peroni, pepperoni. Peron.
Hero, Evans. Shoots for number 2. 2.2 in the free throw line. Number 11 in the ball. Number 11 by the Marcus Champions. This time, lace it up, and in, no good. Offensive rebound, no good. Up, ay! Walang pito, nakita mo yun.
Ikot, oh. Ikot.
Dieciocho, pinasa.
Papaulin mo, dead goal, boss. Walang dead goal, papaulin mo. Walang dead goal, papaulin mo.
Nag-inbound. Passes to Christian, pinasa number 6, wala. Rebound, number 7. Looks for someone, passes to number 6 to number 0. Wants to pass it to number 17, pinasa 29, pinasa 3, 0. Kumilalit, wala. Christian, number 6, passes to number 29, guided by Gilbert. Okay na, pinaka-Gilbert. May pulito.
3 minutes, violation.
Play by Christian.
Ay, 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Inbound. Tuk-tuk ka. Inbound. Taking his
Ay,
shot.
mali.
Taking his shot. Christian gusto bumabay ng Scocho. Dios, pinasa. Scocho, 17 to 0. Pero ay nagkakabot. Coach! Passes to Gilbert. Gilbert runs for it.
Action!
Ayos na nila, hangover again. Number 2. Reverse serve. Guarded by Marco. Passes it. Easy back.
Foul! Foul! Loose ball, ref!
Foul.
22!
Number 22.
Penalty! Penalty!
Shoot.
Penalty!
Shooting. Penalty. Shooting for 2.
Penalty! Dalawa pa pre. Dalawa pa.
Penalty. 5-5. Ernst number 0. Kick to the line. Shooting for 2. Second shot. No good. Offensive rebound. Ang sipat. Number 0 passes to Marco. Marco! Baseline. Foul.
Running for penalty!
Score 12-10. 180 seconds. Rebound number
Play, bro!
First shot, no good. 39 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Still no good. James has the ball. Comes has the ball. At may punito.
Penalty! Penalty!
Herbs, 2 points from Six seconds remaining on our first quarter. Oakland has the ball inbound. Passes it to number 0. Right some high. This is like a free throw out. We're right here at the Great Macquarie Indoor Center. On the camera, Madam Brenda. Thank you so much for the camera. Ano yan? Habang si Ross the boy. 0, 0, 1.
Good, good.
Five seconds.
Sayang, daming free throw naman ako. Sayang,
Shooting second free throw for Pisco. Pasok! Pinulit ang name, Marco! Marcos! First five for Hokkaido. Hokkaido inbounds. Hokkaido to zero. Papalisidin. Papalisidin nasa yung Hokkaido. Hokkaido, number 6. Katapik. Katapik.
Meron!
Six has the ball, 33 to Mars, Bangkok City, Pinas kay Sosi nakapalan. Liga na piso din. Push!
Hindi ako makakonsentrate dito.
Number 6, bato-bato sa langit. Tumira! Oh, good. Number 7, has the ball. Number 7. Sosi has the ball. 7, Sosi. Nadala. Forces sa
Good.
Leon. Gilbert guarded by Sosi. Gilbert passes. Number 7. Ang lalim. out, Maccabeos. Maccabeos. Papa ni Sydney for 2. Gilbert has the ball. Sosi goes for his 6. Minuman si Gilbert. Macabeo, pinasa. Pinasa. Kaya Papa ni Sydney. Papa ni Sydney. Tumidiskarte, pinasa. 67. Passes it to Macabeo. Tari bang go. Lopez. Between the legs. 10 seconds.
Yan! No time.
Timeout. Gusto daw ng timeout.
Yes.
Number 17 has the ball. Passes to number 0 for 3. No good. Number 0 para may magnet. Napunta ang bola sa kanilagi. Wala. Toes. Not fouled by.
Listen!
Oh, pain shoot. Oh, pain shoot. Oh, pain shoot foul.
Coach. Isa pa lang.
First foul. First personal. 17. Bravo. Pedro. Passes to Papa City. Papa City. Muntik madulas. Dumidis ka rin. Pinasa. Muntik magawa. May bonito. 3 seconds.
3 seconds!
3 seconds. Passes to Joe. Lopez. Seven. Crossover. Guarded by Daniel. Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0. Kapituhan.
Kabilang!
Kapituhan. Balik. Kay Coco.
Reverse box!
Nakatawa si
Pinakatsawan ka na!
Nakatawa si Papa.
Pinakatsawan ka na!
Nakatawa si Aisa. Nakahabol, 17.
Nice one.
2, no good. Lopez. Pinabol ang bola, pinasa. Pinasa kay 11. 11. Ang pwede kay Papa City. 11. Stolen by Colts.
Triofe. 0-0.
Number 11, nasa kamay, water. Richie Wow. Substitution.
Substitution.
29 in. 0. Passes the ball back to Sydney. Passes it to number 6. Goal to no good. Offensive rebound by number 17. 17. Pinasa ulit kay number 0 for 3. Ball No good. Ang sita. Number 6 has the ball for 3. No good. Pass the ball. Attack to bounce. Jokers has the ball. Jokers, everybody.
Wala, hindi nila bola. Ay, may foul.
In the row, 4-3.
Dominguez.
Score 27-17. Pinasa kay James, number 6. Has the ball. Pinasa number 0. Number 0. Passes to Papa ni Sisi. Number 17 for 2. No goal. Jokris. Sabi natin, takbo daw, takbo. Shoots four. Outside. Offensive rebound. Ilian with the ball. Ilian. Nice kamay. Opina for 2. Second free throw. 54 seconds remaining. Untik pumasok. Offensive rebound. 29 Opina, pinasa 0-0. Pinasa sa City. Dito ulit. Penalty rep. Seventeen, 27.
Tuk-tuk tayo, foul.
29 warning, 4 fouls already. Substitution. 29 out, 22 in. Offensive rebound, number 6. Pinasa Paparisid, loses it. Okbin has the ball. Same ball, Paparisid. Masyadong bakbakan to, Sasit. So, dribble.
Penalty!
26 seconds remaining.
26 seconds! 26 seconds! Tuktok!
So, 3 personal fouls for Tex. Patrick, 81. 19 seconds. 17, 27. in favor of Tuk-Tuk Time. First shot, no good. Init-init po mga kaibigan ng laban. Dapat po sa kapit. 17-27. Second shot, not counted. Not counted. Sabi nila, entering. Entering the dragon. 13 seconds. Go!
Stepping!
Daming tawag.
Good
10
call,
seconds.
Dad! Good call!
Good call. Good call. Good call.
10 seconds!
Pinasan. 67. Roll good. Up 0 for 3. Second. 2. 1.
Oras!
Number 35. Number 35. Pinasa. Loses it. Simple.
20 seconds! Just 4 seconds! Just 4 seconds!
Last 4 seconds for the shot clock.
Just 4 seconds! Shot clock!
Shot clock. 4 seconds.
Sherwood.
Hanggang!
Pironi.
Players, each time. Suot ng number. Yeah.
Oo, alam na namin. Pironi.
Pepperoni.
Piron.
11. Gilbert. 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 Number 18. Vegas. Number 18. Both teams having a banter, guys.
Labanan ang laban.
Mainit yung mga bench, guys. Oh, innovate yung Vegas. Passes it. Oh, ganda ng pass na 25. 25 mo na. Loses it. Taking the ball. Score, 23-19. In favor of Tuk-Tuk. with 6 minutes 30 seconds remaining. Don't raise Pinasa and Coates. Coates, guarded by 2. Number 7, passes to goal, passes to forward, ball back and through. No good. Back position.
Ay, napasok si Coach, oh, napasok sa court, oh, napasok ko. Technical natin yan.
Oh. Enriquez, yung cover.
Ayun.
Rina.
13 pound, Hokage.
25 in 21 minutes for 55. Inbounds in to Gilbert. Gilbert has the ball. Jokic. Hanggang mapapasahan. Pinasa ay Toads. Toads has the ball. No good.
Bina.
Okpina again, 29 with the ball.
4 pound.
Number 29, Okpina, 4 fouls. Warning.
Third.
At tatlo, apat.
Apat na foul nyo, apat na team foul. Waring penalty.
Christian! Runs and gun pass.
Cebu, Paulo. Cebu.
Penalty!
Okpina out, 0 in.
Sino nang?
Toads on the line, shooting in 1. No good. 3 minutes, 34 seconds remaining.
Penalty na Hokage, penalty.
Okage penalty.
Sinong lamang?
Christian passes papalis. Christian back. 0. Loses it. And then Tumira ng press. No good. Houston has it. Passes it. Intercepted by number 25. Number 25 passes to Gilbert. Gilbert takes it. And passes to Joe. Joe please. Natrapit. Turn around to Sherwood. Sherwood. Jump shot. No good. Zero. May kasamang awit. Let it go. Lista. Pinasa. Pinasa. Pinalagay lista. Lista. Pinasa doon. Nasa Pinasa. 18-17 to the close. Pinasa kay Gilbert. Goal. Baseline. Tinulong na pensa. Pinasa kay Sherwood. Sherwood for 2. Gilbert.
14 seconds.
Counted. 25. Foul si Pepperoni.
Pero
25 counted.
25 shooting for 1.
ano pangalan mo?
Loge.
Luge.
Oh, isa. Shot. 1 point na shot niya.
Third quarter.
Plus 1 point.
Si Otto. Christian. Passes to number 0. Passes to 4-3. No good. Offensive rebound. Passes to 35. 25. Nakapit sa agawan. Agawan number 0. Number 0. Pinasa. Pasok.
Joke.
Jokis. Konti sa agawan. Jokis, pinasa. And Toads. Toads. Sumalaksak, pinasa. And Jokis. For 2.
Joe Chris.
For 2. Number 3, 2 points. Last 1 minute.
1 minute na. Isang minuto na. Di ba?
Joe Chris yung foul. Sinong foul? Rep, sino yung foul?
Hokage ang penalty, Hokage.
Si Joe Chris. Yung foul. Ay, hindi.
Christian from down south. Offensive rebound. Christian has the ball. Passes it to Paparazzi. And of third quarter. Good morning. He's Pinalik kay 22. 22, yung rebound, pinasa. Binalik kay 22. May 22 sa siyempre. Pwede. Medyo maligas.
Jose Gratela.
Inbound. Lopez. Marco Pasco. 7 offensive rebound. May pumigil ulit.
Gratela ulit.
Foul.
6-7.
7. Inbounds. Go. 11. Nadalang wala na si Milan Sede. Kanilang ang press. Wala. Borges sa meron.
Enrique. Oy, apat na yung
Lopez. Pinasa pa. Sinasabi ng Lopez. Go! Pass to Marco. Puti na lang ang lista. Marco! Ang galing!
3 seconds. 3 seconds. Time out! Time out, ref! Time out!
Kaya matugtog.
Time out, ref! Time out! Recho, Recho! Atake, atake!
Marco. Ang Gilbert. Pinasa mo. Gilbert. Marco sa ball. Marco has it. Pwede ba number 6? Marco has the ball. Pwede. Face up. Good. Ay, Pinito.
Tina.
29.
29, graduate!
29
Graduate.
Graduate, 29, graduate! Change, change!
29 out, 33 in. This foul, nagkakaroon.
Point.
Coach, converts one. Pumasok kay Coach. Shooting for another one. Okay. 33, pinasa Christian.
Bukage, 2 points.
Sherwood, magic pass. Passes to Gilbert. Gilbert, baseline.
Okay.
Counted. Post foul.
Post foul.
Peperone!
Peroni. Ay, si Henry. Si Henry. Cabello. Sige.
11 in, 22 out.
Cabello.
And he converts it for a 3-point play. Gilbert for a 3-point play. Christian. Christian has the ball. Passes to 0. Passes to Papansin.
Black ball, black ball, black ball. Boys, defense! Watch!
Gilbert passes to Coates. Coates, pinalik kay Gilbert for 2. No good. Number 0, pinasa.
Press, side. Right, Michael! Press! Sigurado pasa kasi medyo... Parang, kuha. Just shoot down tayo. Michael, just shoot down, Michael.
Fourth quarter, guys. Hindi nito.
Parang diniretso? Hold ba? Hold? Hindi.
Gilbert, labas kay Sherwood. Sherwood, pinasa kay Gilbert. Part 2. Wala, no good. Pass break.
Wala.
Gilbert gets it. Gilbert goes.
Foul. Pironi.
Sino?
Pironi.
Tapa. Penalty!
Penalty. Substitution. 22 out. 3. Peroni. 4 fouls.
Piron.
Peron. 4 fouls. Peron. Score 47-30. Out of the ball.